In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep your Confluence page private. This is an essential skill for anyone wanting to protect sensitive information or ensure that only the right people have access to certain content within your Confluence workspace. So, let's dive right in. First, begin by heading over to your Confluence homepage. This is where you manage different aspects of your Confluence experience. Once you're there, you'll see a list of your workspaces. Each workspace acts as a hub for different projects or teams, so be sure to select the appropriate one where your page is located. This ensures that you're working in the right context and with the right set of pages. After selecting your workspace, it's time to locate the specific page you want to keep private. Navigate through the list of pages, and once you've found it, click on it to open it up. At this stage, you're just a few quick steps away from securing your page. With the page open, look for the Share button, usually located towards the top right of your page interface. Clicking on this button will open a drop-down menu that's crucial for modifying the visibility settings of your page. Within this menu is where we'll make the changes we need. Once the drop-down menu is open, you'll want to look for and click on an option labeled Restricted. By selecting this option, you're telling Confluence to limit access to this page to a chosen group of individuals, thereby making it private. This is especially important for maintaining the confidentiality of sensitive documents or proprietary information that you don't want everyone in your workspace to see. Now that you've set the page to Restricted, the final step in this process is to click on Save. Saving ensures that all the changes you've made are applied and that your page's privacy settings are updated accordingly. It's always important to double-check before you hit save, as this action finalizes everything. Congratulations! You've successfully made your Confluence page private. This straightforward process will help you protect your content with ease. Remember, privacy settings in Confluence are vital for maintaining control over who can view or edit your information, so make sure to review these settings regularly or whenever your team's structure changes. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any additional questions or need clarification on any steps, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more handy tutorials like this one. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.